Hey guys, what's up? New video, the first portfolio review on this channel. I already mentioned it in the last video that I'm starting this video series reviewing your portfolios for free. So I got a lot of requests to review portfolios and with many links that I should review, but as I said, I probably can't review all of them. So I gave you the chance to check out my Patreon page. It's linked down right now. And you can support me with $10 each month, and I will definitely support you and review your portfolio. So this is like a guaranteed method of doing this. But of course you can also write an email to me to get it reviewed for free if I will pick out your portfolio. Check out the links and see what's best for you, maybe even after watching this video, because you will get an impression of what we will talk about and what it is, like what these reviews are. And the first review, the first person actually emailing me was Frank from the Netherlands. So welcome Frank and your portfolio to this first episode. We will just jump in reviewing the portfolio, and I want you guys to write down in the comment section, or maybe using pen and paper, what you think about the portfolio, and write it down in the comment section after watching the video if you have like some tips and some feedback for Frank. Okay, so that would be dope, so that he has some additional support from the community. And of course, let's jump in. We have Frank's portfolio right here. My first impression is that it looks really clean. If you come, for example, from Google or using a direct link from a business card or anything, then you have a clean interface, and the user or your like visitor is just not overwhelmed by too much information. Something that I'm missing on this first startup screen right here is like a small description of what this website is about. I mean, on the left side, I see that you are active in design and programming, even though this small snippet, the small caption is really, as I said, small, and it's not that readable. So maybe you should make it bigger, or like maybe turn it around so the active in design and programming part will be in the size of this top headline of this 6 years of experience, and like vice versa. So I think it's really important to have a clear understanding as a new user to the website what it is about. And this was like really a tip that you should make it more obvious what this website is about. I like these tiles. I like this style of having these small tiles, and you can hover them to check what the content is about. I'm not sure if these hover effects work well on mobile. I haven't checked the mobile version of this website, and if you like made a workaround for mobile devices, but as you know, hovers aren't available on mobile devices, so maybe rethink that logic. I guess these are like portfolio items. Probably this is a mobile web app or mobile app concept or project and websites. Then of course, let's just scroll down a bit. We see that you work for a couple of companies. That's cool. What is this? Okay. Okay, so I can drag them around. Yeah, okay. Okay, that's okay. And on the bottom, I just see your links to like your LinkedIn profile, Twitter, and so on. So that's good. I really like to have like a summary of profiles and information that I can use to find out more about this person. Okay, so let's go and hit the About tab. And it's cool to have this really big photo, but maybe there are people who want you to make them a website and they don't know that they can scroll on this website, because I have this huge photo and I don't really see that there is some content below this header image. But anyways, we have some cool typography here. So I really like the typography, and I like the fonts that you were using in this project. And it's cool to see that you're only 22 years old and you are already creating like so, and you already have like such a cool portfolio. So really that's amazing. and I'm really looking forward to your future success. And I really like that you are describing some of the things that you are doing. Maybe put like 1 or 2 sentences of the content of this page onto your home page, onto like the start and index page, so the people really know what it is about, and not just post your like your work plain onto your first page. We are already in the work tab, and we can access it from this work tab right here at the top. Okay, so we're already on this. I mean, of course, maybe I could have seen it because we have like this small indicator, but I thought that this is the index page is just the start. It's just like an overview of what you did and the companies and so on, but it's connected to work. Maybe you should get rid of this link, because you can also click your logo to go back to the start page, or to just rename it to like home or start or anything like that. Because I thought if I click on work, I will go to a page that only features all of the things that you already made. Okay, but we will continue. We went to this comics website, and you used this page right here to show off the web design that you made. That's cool. You even like show much information. You even show stuff like objectives and so on. That's cool. That's really cool for me as a designer, and probably also for the clients who will be interested in the way that you work, and they already get an overview of the things that you are doing. So it's really cool. You give a lot of information. I'm not sure if it's a bit too much. I mean, I love it, but maybe you don't have to show all of this information, even though I really, as I said, I really love it. And you have a conclusion that's amazing. So if you just read the summary and the conclusion, that's probably also cool. And you give also some details about the client. So that's cool. That's really awesome. Okay, so you also link these companies. I mean, I like to show company logos as well, because it like features and shows that you work with amazing companies. Maybe you work with Google or anybody, then you can of course post that on your website. But if I click on Startup Bootcamp, for example, it gets me to their website, and I'm not on your website, on your portfolio anymore, even though I wanted to like browse your work and maybe even hire you. So maybe rethink the part of linking these logos, or maybe say that they open up in a new tab that can work as well. So we have a different portfolio item, and okay, they all look the same. They have this big header image, they have like this description with some photos on them, and your portfolio items, these detail items, they are great. I can't really say anything bad about them. I just want to encourage you to like continue this great work, because I really like how you structure your portfolio items in detail. That's dope. That's really cool. And you also share some learnings. I just saw it right now. Okay, so that's also cool to show the client and your website visitors that you learned something. Okay, the last page is your contact page. You give some information where you can get contact. You can even send a message using this form. Okay, this is of course some standard user experience stuff, to not put in like your name right in the input field. Maybe even make a small caption above the input field to just write there your name, and this could be blank. And then I can type in, for example, if I type in my name, and if I wasn't sure if this was really the name, and if I used already 2 of these fields and I wasn't sure, is this the name field or is this the email field, then I need to like delete all of the content, here, and make sure to like write in the correct content. So yeah, this is just a small tip. Yeah, I hope you have some good ideas for Frank, write them down in the comment section right now, and I'm sure he will be happy to hear your thoughts about his website, his portfolio. Yeah, hit the thumb up button if you enjoyed it. I hope, Frank, you have some good ideas on how you can improve your portfolio, but as I said, it also has some really great aspects, including your portfolio detail items. That's like the best part of your portfolio. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for your time, guys, and we see us in the next one. Bye. This video was sponsored by Dev Mountain. If any of you are interested in learning UX design, Dev Mountain is a 12-week design bootcamp intended to get you a full-time job in the industry. You can learn more about this at devmountain.com or by clicking the link in the video description. Thanks for watching the video, and we see us in the next one. Bye!